In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Word content, as well as the saved, created, modified, and accessed date and time without using any external tools. This is especially helpful if you need to update document details for organizational purposes or better file management. I'll guide you carefully through the process so you can understand what can be adjusted directly in Microsoft Word and what is controlled by your system. Let's start with editing the document content itself. Open your Microsoft Word file and make the necessary changes to the text, formatting, images, or layout. Once you modify anything inside the document, Word automatically updates the modified date in the file properties when you save it. To apply those changes, click File, then select Save, or press Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This ensures the latest modifications are recorded. Now, to view and adjust certain document properties, click on File and then go to Info. On this screen, you'll see details such as file size, number of pages, and related dates like created, modified, and last accessed. Some of these dates are system-generated and cannot be manually edited directly within Word. However, you can modify specific metadata fields such as the author name or title by clicking on the property field and typing your preferred information. If you want to influence the created date without external tools, one common method is to save the document as a new file. Click File, choose Save As, select your preferred location, and save it with a new file name. When you create a brand new file this way, the system assigns a new created date based on the moment you saved it. As for the modified date, simply editing the document and saving it will automatically update that timestamp. The accessed date typically changes when the file is opened and closed, depending on your operating system settings. This is managed by your computer's file system rather than Microsoft Word itself. To confirm the updated details, close the document, locate the file in File Explorer, right-click it, and choose Properties. Under the Details tab, you'll see the created, modified, and accessed dates reflected there. And that's how you can manage and influence Microsoft Word content and file date information without using any third-party tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.